Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will teach you how to access AI on Snapchat. So before starting the video, make sure to subscribe the channel. So first of all, go to Play Store and update your Snapchat if you haven't updated it yet. After it, you to Snapchat and open it. You can see the message icon in the bottom. Click on it. After clicking on it, you can see My AI on the top. Just click on it and it will open next to you. My AI is a virtual friend that lives inside Snapchat. You can think of AI as your friendly and helpful companion here to chat with you. My AI is kind, smart, and creative, and AI is always there to have a fun conversation with you. You can ask him questions or information that you need. Also, my AI will help you. Will you relax if you are stressing out? For example, I am asking him, I am stressed. As you can see, AI is suggesting me exercise and I telling me to relax. So that's all how to access my AI on Snapchat. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.